My name is Reid. I've had some severe pain in my lower back and across my hips, numbness down my leg. I also had a lot of pain in my neck and right shoulder. The neck has been bothering me for many years, and the lower back has been bothering me for about 5 years or more. In my younger days, we had a horse which threw me off backwards. So I've done a lot of yard work, a lot of pulling and tugging, and then also in my job, I was on a computer all day long. Bad posture from being slumped over at the desk, and just physical abuse over the years. The pain was keeping me from doing just about everything. My lower back would hurt so bad I couldn't cook. I couldn't bend over and do yard work. I couldn't walk very far without it starting to just ache. I went to my doctor, my family physician, multiple times, and he gave me a lot of pills just trying to manage the pain. And I went to therapy, and that didn't really do a whole lot for me. I had a doctor talk about surgery, and he wanted to go through my neck. That scared me to death. I didn't want him to do that. He sent me to a pain management doctor who referred me to you for therapy. It was a godsend that I came here because I've not had any lower back pain, so my lower back pain is just all but gone. My neck is probably down from about a 8 or a 9 down to about a 0 to a 1 sometimes. I have been able to work in the yard for about an hour, so that's been really nice because I love to work in the yard, so that's good. Another thing that I've been able to do is, like on the 4th of July, I cooked for 2 days, and although I was a little sore, within a day or two it was gone. In the past, that would have laid me up for the whole month of July. That was a pleasant surprise because I really didn't expect to feel as well as I did, as fast as I did. I would recommend Lone Star Progressive Medicine to just about anybody I know. The combination of the adjustments and the therapy is a plus. It just seems to work, whereas in anything else that I've done before has not. My name is Reid, and I'm a gardener, a grandmother. I love to cook, and I'm a patient at Lone Star Progressive Medicine.